Howdy. So, must be the calm before the storm. Saturday morning. Not a whole lot going on. It's very cloudy. You can see up past the barn there. It's very cloudy on the mountain. Usually that's snow. I don't know if it's flurrying up there already. I don't know if you guys know it or not, but we live kind of at the base of the highest, I guess the highest peak in Pennsylvania, or it's either the highest or the second highest. It's right there. So, way back in the day, it used to be I'm assuming back in World War II or something, there was a radar station there for the Air Force, I believe. Now it's a ski resort, Blue Knob Ski Resort. So that's like, by the way, the crow flies probably 5 miles. 10 driving it. So yeah. Well, what I'm going to do this morning is I got to get everybody fed. I gave cows yesterday, I gave them a brand new salt lick, and they were going berserk with that thing, so I'm sure they're going to need lots of water this morning. And we'll see what else is happening. Alright, this is probably just going to be a video over a couple days of the storm and what's going on and how we're coping and blah blah blah. So, okay, catch you later. Well, it's 2 o'clock and it's here. Snowing pretty heavy. We got a little bit of mist, light mist earlier, so everything's icy underneath. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. But it's really coming down pretty fast right now. I mean, it just started like 20 minutes ago and it has completely covered everything. So she's coming. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. I don't know if you guys can see that. But right there, the cows, they are covered in snow already. 2 little steers are looking at us and the bull's looking away. Sitting there chewing their cud. They've been pretty content. I gave them a salt lick last night, and or a mineral lick. And they're pretty happy. So, whew, she's coming down pretty good. It's real wet. Alright. Well, keep on keeping on. Alright, so it's about 5:30 and it started snowing about 1:30, and so we've got about 2 inches so far. It was when I first started, it was really coming down big flakes, and now it's kind of real fine. What's up, Ruger? So, but the heavy stuff's supposed to get here this evening through the night. We'll see. I don't know. I know, like, I seen the weather map and it was raining over in Pittsburgh. It was like some warm air over there, so we were in a cold shot. We're always in a cold shot here. We're right on the mountain range. So, okay, well, I'm going to head up the hill. I got to check on my mom and plow the road. So, it's wet. It's heavy. It's not nice and fluffy. Kind of sucks. So, I know it's getting dark and this camera sucks at night. So, alright. Let's see if I can't get you something going with the plowing. Woo! I don't know if you can see this. has, but it's snowing pretty good. So, probably, I don't know about that 2 inches. We might be at 3. So, we're doing alright so far. Trying to get her up the hill here. Without the chains, this thing wouldn't go anywhere. I can tell you what it's gonna suck. It's gonna suck feet. Good thing I gave him a good one yesterday. Alright, well that's where we're at. I'll get up here, check on my mother, and see if I can't get you a couple videos coming down with the plow. Woo! She is wet, boys. Alright, well, there's going to be lots more where this came from, so I'm going to shut you off and get done so I can go back in. Alright, 9:30, trying to make my way back up the road again. We've got about another 4 to 5 inches since 5:30 when I was out here. Freaking amazing. So, she's spinning pretty good coming up here, and I've got D-bar chains on the front of this, and tell ya, man, it's putting it down. Sucks. Alright, let me get turned around up here, or let me see what's going on. Whew. Okay, so you guys can see how we've got about 9. I don't know where I was in this video. We're up to about 9-10 inches right now. So I got the parking area up here, my mom's house, kind of cleared out, half-assed. So we're just going to run her straight. I'm going to tell you what, it doesn't matter which way you put the plow or night. Woo! Snow's deep enough, heavy enough that plows riding up. Tell you this much, the flakes are getting bigger. Before when I was out here, they were very fine. I mean, it was thick, but it was fine. Flakes are, I'd say 4 or 5 times bigger, so there's more snow coming down now. For sure. Sorry for the shakiness, but I'm trying to drive, hold the camera, run the plow. everything. Okay, that's going to be it for this run. Bye, see you in 3 or 4 hours. Alright, good morning. So, Sunday morning, guess the snow's over. I had about 10 inches last night at about 11 o'clock. And I'd say we got about another 2 inches after that. But we also got freezing rain and sleet mixed in with it. So this stuff's gonna suck for blowing. I don't know. I'm hoping. I got up at 2 o'clock. I wasn't doing anything, so I went back to bed. I don't know. We're gonna give her a shot here. We gotta do something. I'm hoping my tractor gets up the hill. So, well, let's get this thing moving. See if we can't get rid of some snow. The winds have started. It's 30 degrees right now. And by this afternoon, we're supposed to be 18, going down to 0 by nightfall with 30 mile an hour, 35 mile an hour winds. So the wind chill is 20 below. So I hope I can get this done before the temperature gets so bad I don't want to be out here. So, okay, I'm going to get the tractor going. I got to get the hay, the bale spear off, and see what happens. Morning, people. So, today, we're going to give her the old blower a try. Pretty wet stuff, but let's see what happens. Okay. Get in the right gear here. What the heck? this morning it started freezing, so I ran up with the RTV to try to knock it off, but it was already froze. So nothing else. I can get up with the one with the chains on. Got our driveway done. Everything's done down through there, over in front of the barn. Gate's finally plowed out. So I guess I'm gonna try to hibernate. I might go out here a little bit and try to get solar panels. I don't understand why the other 22 panels didn't fall off, but the first 22 did. Alright. Well, this is probably going to be the end of this snow plowing video. It's basically a bunch of little clips put together of me plowing through the night. I don't even know what it looks like, you know, from the snow blowing with my head cam on. So, alright, temperature's dropping like a rock and the wind's howling, and now we have, looks like lake effect snow or something going on. So, whew, we'll catch you on the next one. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.